Welcome and thank you for joining us. In today's tutorial, we'll navigate you through the process of assigning permissions to users, empowering them to edit documents seamlessly. As we attempt to edit the document, we observe that the current user lacks the relevant editing permissions. Consequently, the document remains accessible only in read-only mode. Should the need arise, we are fully equipped to empower individual users or entire user groups with the essential editing rights. Our task is simplified, we just need to identify the specific user for whom editing permissions are required. For context, the current user is a member of the IT department. This enables us to offer editing permission either to a specific user or the entire IT department, or even the broader organizational unit. In the case of our demonstration, we will grant editing permission to the entire IT department. As evident, we've just introduced these changes. Let's ascertain if the current user can now edit the document. With these applied adjustments, the user can seamlessly introduce necessary changes into the document and collaborate simultaneously with others on the same file. Are you ready to unlock the potential of efficient document collaboration? Dive into the elDoc experience for free, right away.